After gaining insights into the industry, we can delve deeper into specific companies. Step 1. Add company. Step 2. Confirm company. Step 3. View report. Step 4. Modify report. Start by selecting company searched in the sidebar, then click on Add Company. Enter the name of the company you wish to investigate and click Confirm. For example, entering Tesla will prompt the AI to provide you with essential information about the company. Since AI language models may not always provide the latest updates, the results should not be considered entirely accurate. Therefore, we recommend visiting the company's official website or connecting with friends who work there for additional insights. For instance, if you search for Tesla news in a search engine, you'll find a list of recent articles about the company. Once the report is generated, we can review the details provided, beginning with a general overview of history, mission, and core values. However, we notice that the latest financial report available is from Q4 2022, highlighting a limitation of the AI. It cannot track the most recent news and trends related to the company. To address this gap, it's advisable to use search engines to find current information about the company. The report also lists achievements, culture, and values to let you know more about the company. Job seekers need to assess whether they would thrive in a company's culture. During interviews, candidates can ask questions about team dynamics, leadership styles, and organizational values to gauge cultural fit, which is essential for long-term happiness and success in the role. Company culture influences the overall work environment, including communication styles, management practices, and collaboration. A positive culture can enhance teamwork and morale, while a toxic environment can lead to stress and disengagement. A company's products and services reflect its position in the market. Job seekers should consider whether they want to be associated with a brand that is innovative, ethical, or socially responsible, as this can affect their professional identity. When researching a company's background in preparation for a job application, focus on several key areas. 1. Employee reviews and testimonials. 2. Competitors and industry position. 3. Leadership and management. 4. Products and services. And 5. Company culture and financial stability.